conducted more than I would say 11, 12 I think webinars in the past 1.5 months, जहां पर कि हम लोगों को बात करके और जो भी नॉलेज हमारे पास है, जो भी मैंने कुछ सीखा है लोगों से और जो मेरा अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बाय रनिंग दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वी हैव गॉट, वी थॉट कि इट्स टाइम टू एक्चुअली हेल्प आउट पीपल whomsoever we can. So just sharing the knowledge, जरूरी नहीं है कि all the knowledge which we share might be useful to you. हो सकता है आपको सारा कुछ पता हो, ये भी हो सकता है, और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि सारा नॉलेज मेरे पास ही होगा, आप लोगों के पास भी कुछ नॉलेज हो सकता है. It is important that all of us share our knowledge. Right now, I'll be sharing whatever I learned by interacting with international leaders, Indian government, local leaders here and there, in last 3.5 months. आप लोगों के पास भी कुछ knowledge हो, उसको share करें. So idea is to actually share the information which we gained in long duration of time, in these COVID times. So yeah, that's the wholesale objective, I would say. And एक और चीज मैं बोलूंगा कि इस knowledge का importance क्यों है, क्योंकि देखिए हर समय ऐसा होता है कि जब भी कोई नॉलेज आता है, सो वी ट्राई टू मेक चेंजेस, एंड इट्स बीन सेड लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दैट old doors will not open the new chapters for you. You have to create a new door for yourself. Of course the time is tough, but it's not difficult that way. I mean definitely travel industry revive करेगा, बट हमें पुराने तरीके से अगर हम अपने रवैये को चलाएंगे तो शायद ना चले. हमें डेफिनेटली अपने कई चीजों में चेंजेस लाने की जरूरत है. एंड ये है कि इंडस्ट्री वाइड कुछ रिसर्च निकल करके आया है, हम जितने लोग सीख सकते हैं उसको सीख करके लेट्स ट्राई टू ब्रिंग दैट चेंज इन द वे वी हैव बीन फंक्शनिंग, इन द वे वी हैव बीन ट्रीटिंग आवरसेल्फ एंड अदर्स. And this is the time, not survival of the fastest, survival of the fittest. It's mainly survival of the quickest also. कौन कितनी जल्दी इन चेंजेस को अपने हैबिट में, इन द रनिंग फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ आवर होम स्टे और जो भी जगह चला रहे हैं उसमें लाता है. आई थिंक ही विल और दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल बी मोर सक्सेसफुल. So objective will be to share that knowledge. Right, Ashwarya?
Right, that is them. So the first question which I can ask on behalf of everyone here, I think, is the biggest question: ki when will everything get back to normal? Right, every day we watch the news and there is some new regulation coming up, some new numbers coming up, and हर रोज कुछ तो नया हो रहा है. So when do you think कि सब थोड़ा सा resume हो जाएगा? Will we ever get back to normal, or will we have to live with this?
See, I mean this question I've been answering in each of the seminars, and not that कि मैं जो आंसर बोलूं वही आंसर सही है, आप लोगों के पास भी अपना आंसर होगा, लेकिन होता क्या है, अगर सभी लोग एक तरह की बात बोलते हैं तो एक विश्वास होता है. We get confidence that yes, possibly this is the way it is moving forward. So first of all, definitely it's going to be it's going to recover for sure. I mean इंडस्ट्री पहले भी बहुत बार गिरी है, लेकिन हर बार गिरने के बाद उठी जरूर है. और जैसा इंडस्ट्री के सभी लोगों का मानना है, देखिए जो भी लोग इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर्स में डील कर रहे थे, उनका अभी के समय में थोड़ा डेफिनेटली गैप आएगा, एटलीस्ट फॉर एन ईयर उनके लिए गैप आएगा, एटलीस्ट इंटरेक्टिंग द इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर्स. When it comes to domestic travelers, the period is going to be around 6 to 8 months to 18 months. That's the time period we hope to see some traction coming in. एटलीस्ट 6 months लग सकते हैं धीरे धीरे उठने में, और लगभग 18 months का हमें माइंडसेट अपना रेडी रखना चाहिए. उसके बीच में हमें परेशान नहीं होना है. कई बार क्या होता है ना, हमें लगता है कि हम रोटी पका रहे हैं, पक नहीं रहा, लेकिन अगर मालूम है कि रोटी पकने में अगर 1 साल लगेगा तो हमें टेंशन नहीं, हमें क्योंकि हमें 1 साल तक का वेट करना चाहिए. हमें, मेरा यही होगा कि हम इस समय पर ये नहीं सोचे कि अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा, कस्टमर नहीं आ रहा, कोई बात नहीं है, लेट्स गिव. एंड दिस इज द नंबर व्हिच आई एम सेइंग. आई मीन मेनी अदर थिंग व्हिच आई विल से, इट्स नॉट दैट आई एम ओनली सेइंग इट. that's how the industry has been, I mean रिसर्च करके सभी लोगों ने अपना अपना एक इन्फ्लुएंस निकाला है. However, these are uncertain times. हो सकता है पहले भी हो जाए, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे आगे भी हो सकता है, but that is the time based on all calculations people have said. Till that time, let's have patience. But of course, उस समय को व्यस्त ना करें. Of course, we need to work something in the gap time. Yeah.
That's right. I think in the following some minutes, whatever Anubhav said, we'll be bifurcating it into several points. Okay, so that we can have it very clear in our head. So first thing that we'll be talking about is trust. I'll just give the headings and Anubhav can elaborate further very nicely. Trust with the customers and with the hosts. Next is marketing, or how to make innovative sales at this time, because obviously the sale will be
Maybe let me talk to
different.
Ashwarya. Let me talk about it. I mean, otherwise that can get confusing. So
Okay. I'll keep
basically,
writing the headings here.
yeah.
Yeah.
सो सी द पॉइंट इज, जैसे मैंने बोला कि इस समय पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अब बीच का जो गैप पीरियड है जिसमें टिल द टाइम इंडस्ट्री रिकवर्स, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स। और आपके मन में भी होगा, कई लोगों ने कुछ ना कुछ करना शुरू भी कर दिया होगा, कोई खेती में अपना लग गया होगा, कोई अपने किसी ऑल्टरनेटिव भी बिजनेस में लग गए होंगे, किसी ने सोचना शुरू कर दिया हो क्या करें, कई 4 जगह ये वेबिनार में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, ये भी काम शुरू कर दिया होगा। देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच वी कैन डू based on the entire research, everything I'm telling you. That's why, I mean, that's the purpose of actually this session. There are 5 things, ideally there are 5 things which right now we should focus when it comes to reviving ourselves in the industry. See, industry अपने आप revive नहीं करेगी, industry के हम सभी member हैं, इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लाइक हमारी एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, आप समझ सकते हैं हमारा भी इसमें बहुत समय लग रहा है, कितने लोगों ने आपको फोन किया, आप भी यहाँ पर आए, ऐश्वर्या आई, मैं आया हूँ, और हम आप लोगों को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हम आपसे बात करना चाह रहे हैं, आप लोग भी अपना समय लगा रहे हैं, और भी बहुत जगह पर आप जा रहे होंगे। इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कम फॉरवर्ड and actually support in reviving the industry. How can we help in reviving the industry? There are 5 ways in which you can help, and that is going to help everybody in unison. राइट, वी हैव टू गो बियॉन्ड आवर सेल्फ, हमें अपने को छोड़ करके बाकी लोगों के बारे में भी सोचने की जरूरत पड़ेगी। वेल दोस 5 पॉइंट्स जो ऐश्वर्या ने भी एक पॉइंट हाईलाइट किया, वन ऑफ द पॉइंट, द टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट इज द ट्रस्ट, building trust. I will elaborate this point. The first point is building trust, and building trust with whom? Building trust with your stakeholders. हमारे स्टेक होल्डर हैं कौन? हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं, राइट, आपके एजेंट्स हो सकते हैं जिनसे भी आपको बिजनेस मिलता होगा, हो सकता है आप Booking.com से बिजनेस लेते होंगे, मेक माई ट्रिप से लेते होंगे, या आपके सेल्स एजेंट होंगे दिल्ली में, मुंबई में, बैंगलोर में, जहां जहां पर भी एजेंट्स बैठे होंगे, वो आपके स्टेक होल्डर होंगे, राइट। इवन द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग एट योर होम स्टे, आपके सराउंडिंग में, जैसे मनीष से बात हुई है अभी, तो जामवाल में जहां पर है उसके आसपास में भी लोग होंगे, वो भी आपके स्टेक होल्डर है एक तरह से। आर यू टेकिंग केयर ऑफ ईच ऑफ द स्टेक होल्डर? Are you spending, investing time in building trust with these stakeholders? That is a time, that is something which is very important. So how will you build that trust with those stakeholders? The first important thing while building this trust will be, communicate with this people, you know, and it's not to be communication, it's to be over communication, केवल बात नहीं करनी है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा बात करनी पड़ेंगी। आपके पास जितने भी कस्टमर है उन सभी कस्टमर को एक एक करके आप फोन करो, मे बी इट्स टाइम कंज्यूमिंग बट वी हैव टाइम, गुड थिंग, आप उनको अगर एक एक बार के फोन करके आप बात करेंगे, जस्ट आस्क देम हाउ दे आर, टॉक टू योर एजेंट्स ऑल्सो, एंड लाइकवाइज टॉक टू ऑल्सो योर सराउंडिंग। आई एम श्योर आप लोग कर रहे होंगे, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लोग कर नहीं रहे होंगे, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रिपीट इट, लॉट ऑफ पीपल माइट बी डूइंग इट with proper intention, some people might be doing it just as a secondary option. What I'm saying is, it's an important time that to please communicate, rather please over communicate with all your past guests, all your travel agents, and also with the people in the surrounding area, right? You can also make short videos, make small videos even with the mobile phone. Just make small videos from your mobile phone of your surrounding, अपने घर का लीजिए, अपने आसपास के एरिया का लीजिए, और ले करके just share it with the people whom you know. And again, I'm talking about the stakeholder, 3 stakeholders I talked about. Building trust is actually, how will you build trust with your, see, it's the same equation which goes in the personal relationship. हमें अगर अपने रिलेशन में भी ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना पड़ता है, हम क्या करते हैं आपस में, फैमिली में, जिससे भी है, we actually try to understand their pain also, we try to talk to them. That's the first step of actually building trust, and that is something which is required. Again, I'm not saying it has been something which has been taken by the industry experts, that this is something which is the most important thing in these times. Please spend time in actually building this trust. Make those videos, share with those people, अपने Facebook पर, अपने Instagram पर, या उन लोगों को आप WhatsApp पर शेयर करो आप, make short videos. Maybe it's a bad video, it's okay, no problem, people understand you are making it for mobile phone, but that is fine, right? I mean, also, जैसा मैंने बोला कि अपने कम्युनिटी में कुछ भी कर सकते हैं आसपास के एरिया में, please spend some time in that. Whatever you can spend time, you can spend money, you can spend your energy, the way we are spending energy in talking to you. Likewise, you also spend energy in actually educating, of making the people aware about it. There are a lot of areas in which you can make them aware, and we have scores of ideas. I mean, later on also we can have another conversation if anybody is interested. We can talk about how do you make those surrounding people aware, create that awareness among those people. And also, if some people have their websites, try to work on your websites, talk about the things which you have not been able to speak. So try to work on the existing things which you have. Those are the things which actually will help in building trust with all your stakeholders. That's the first point. The second point, I mean, again, no point is in order of priority. Every point is important. Second point is safety. I mean, I don't need to tell it. Everybody knows COVID times, special recognitions, special conditions. The definition of safety and hygiene has changed for everybody. Not just for travel, हमारे लिए भी definition change हो गया. पहले जिसको साफ बोलते थे, अब कुछ और साफ है. इसके लिए हमने स्पेशल गाइडलाइन तैयार की थी. I don't know अगर आप लोगों के साथ शेयर हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. We spent really good amount of time. I mean, we looked up the safety guidelines, government guidelines, United Nations guidelines, and guidelines of more than 10 such big organizations, and a lot of homestay. Some of the state government also contributed in that, and we concised everything in one document, keeping the important points from each one of them and trying to create one document. Our team has made extra effort on that. We will be happy to share that document to you. Try to see whatever is impactful, whatever is valuable to you guys. Try to implement that thing, right? That's the second point. The third point is the flexibility. हम सभी को फ्लेक्सिबल होना पड़ेगा. और फ्लेक्सिबल किस रेस्पेक्ट में चाहिए? अब देखिए, फ्लेक्सिबल के लिए क्या है कि हमारे जैसे प्राइसिंग है, हमने पहले सोचा कि हम ऐसे प्राइस रखेंगे. वी हैव टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल इन आवर प्राइस आल्सो. वी हैव टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैंसिलेशन पॉलिसीज आल्सो, राइट? हमें कुछ डिफरेंट ऑफरिंग्स भी निकालनी पड़ सकती है. राइट नाउ सी, वी विल हैव टू मूव एज पर द कस्टमर्स नीड्स, नॉट एज पर आवर नीड्स. पहले होता था कि जितने भी होम स्टे थे, हो सकता है किसी का बहुत बढ़िया चलता होगा, उसमें हम डिसाइड करते थे रूल्स. Right now, I tell you, for the next 8 to 18 months till the time market recovers, is the customer who will rule, is the customer who will decide how to, do things. So we'll have to adjust according to the demands of the customers without keeping our conditions pretty strict. Of course, हम सभी की अपनी अपनी जो basic layout है कि हम इस पर compromise नहीं करेंगे, that goes in true. But we have to go a lot more different approach. पहले हो सकता है कि मैं किचन में किसी को आने नहीं देता था, अब हो सकता है मैं किचन आई कैन कीप इट ओपन. सो वी हैव टू बी फ्लेक्सिबल फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव. आप सोच सकते हैं किसके लिए आप पहले रिजिड थे. प्लीज गो बियॉन्ड दैट रिजिडिटी एंड बी एब्सोल्युटली ओपन एज मच एज पॉसिबल. दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी गो ऑन. Another step is like an important thing is the fourth is the collaboration and partnership. That is very important these times. Right now we all are working. सभी लोग आइसोलेशन में काम कर रहे हैं. अभी हो सकता है जैसे यहाँ पर हरीश जी हैं, आप जिस जगह से भी हैं सर, और मनीष आप चंबा से हैं. लेट्स से कि मनीष जी के पास 1000 गेस्ट पहले आए थे, और उनके यहाँ पर, मनीष जी के यहाँ पर अभी कोई भी गेस्ट नहीं आ सकता है, बिकॉज वो ऑलरेडी रेड जोन में है. जस्ट एग्जाम्पल. और अगर हरीश जी के पास अगर गेस्ट जा सकते हैं, तो आइडियली जितने भी कस्टमर मनीष जी के पास हैं, ही शुड बी ओपन टू शेयर द ईमेल आईडी, द फोन नंबर टू हरीश जी. रादर अपने गेस्ट को मनीष जी भेज सकते हैं कि देखिए आप हमारे यहाँ तो नहीं आ सकते हैं, लेकिन प्लीज गो एंड विजिट हरीश जी, इट इज लाइज इन द ग्रीन जोन. You can visit that place. Imagine like right now I can see there are 15 people. If each people actually share their customer base, among themselves only, you will be able to market each other. You have to think beyond self. ये बहुत जरूरी है, कहना आसान है, but that's very very much. Saying something? Any question? So that is something which is
No,
like.
I think Harish ji here has raised his hand.
Please sir. Yes, Harish ji, बताइए. आप म्यूट पर हैं सर. हरीश जी, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा.
Harish, you are on mute.
Yes.
सर मैं ऑलरेडी ये सारी प्रैक्टिसेस कर रहा हूँ. आई एम ऑलरेडी इनटू collaborating with all the possible destinations around Varanasi where tourists usually make a golden triangle, places like Jaipur, Agra, Delhi, right, Varanasi, Bodh Gaya, Allahabad, and these places, because we generally have a tourist coming into this circuit. Already a group of 10-15 homestays we are promoting each other already. Wonderful. Just to let you know.
No, that's really great. I mean, बहुत अच्छी बात है. हमारे पास्ट के कुछ वेबिनार्स में there were people from North East, there were people from Bangalore, I mean Kerala, So उस केस में क्या होता है, कई बार हम अपने एरिया के लोगों को जानते हैं. अच्छी बात क्या है कि we are trying to actually connect you guys with other people also in rest of the country. So अच्छी बात है कि आप 15 से कर रहे हैं. हो सकता है जैसे अभी इवान सोलोमन जी हैं, so he might be from one area. Maybe that he doesn't know any of those homestay with to whom you know, Harish ji, right? So then an exchange between you two will also be very much helpful, right? So we're talking about an holistic exchange mechanism where each people are able to collaborate with each other. And that's going to be a huge game changer for everybody, I tell you. ये सबसे बड़ा strength पता है क्या हमारे पास है. हम सभी लोग जो साथ में individual हैं, we have this strength. So ideally, it is time to actually collaborate, not just among few people, but also at a national level we should. And that way, हरीश जी, हम सभी लोगों को कितना मदद मिलेगा आप imagine करो. हमारे पास more than 2000 ऐसे पार्टिसिपेंट्स आए जगह जगह से, पूरे भारत के, लाइक फ्रॉम ऑल द स्टेट्स. Imagine if you're able to share with everybody. It's going to be huge, isn't it? So it's the time of actually collaboration, and we have to see that in what degree and capacity we can do that. And of course, the last element is the sustainability dimension. I think most of the people will already be following it. And if not, or agar kar bhi rahe hain, let's talk about it. Let's actually try to find out another area. How can we ensure that our stays, our experiences, our initiatives are actually sustainable? Earlier, it was a niche thing. पहले लोग बोलते थे कि ये एक यूनिक चीज है, आने वाले समय में ऐसा होगा कि ये एक बेसिक चीज हो जाएगी. इवन 5-स्टार होटल्स को कुछ ना कुछ सस्टेनेबिलिटी के प्रैक्टिसेस करनी ही पड़ेगी. That's going to be the mandatory requirement, which was earlier an option, earlier a niche field कि नहीं ये चीज जाएंगे तो बड़ा अच्छा है, मैं वहां गया तो वहां पर मैंने केवल ऑर्गेनिक खाना खाया या वहां पर मैंने इनको सपोर्ट किया, right? So the thing is actually supporting, bringing all those people in a common platform and trying to drive these things, these elements, bringing it in our daily practice. That is the time actually I would say in these times we should focus on. किस तरह से क्या कर सकते हैं collaboration, how can people can come together. It's absolutely up to each other. किसी का कोई strength है, किसी का कुछ और strength है. But if people, and unfortunately I see that's like in Indian mindset, many places people are closed with their mindset, they are actually cocooned. एक छोटे से pocket में काम करना चाहते हैं. The moment we open up, it's a huge strength. Again, I'm telling you, I mean, there are thousands and thousands of such homestay owners all over the country. If all of them come together, कितना बड़ा strength बनेगा आप सोच के देखिए. हम खुद एक लगेगा कि मैं अकेला नहीं हूं. That is not existing right now. We are trying to actually create that bridge. इन सभी लोगों को साथ में जोड़ करके, सभी लोगों को एक साथ, ताकि आपस में लोग कोलैबोरेट कर पाए, आपस में इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर पाए. एंड डेफिनेटली एक चीज की, जैसे कि अभी ऐश्वर्या शायद कुछ चीजों के बारे में बात करेंगे सेफ्टी गाइडलाइंस पर, बट हाइजीन प्रिंसिपल्स में वी आर ट्राइंग टू एक्चुअली आल्सो आइडेंटिफाई कि लोकल प्लांट्स और लोकल मटेरियल को यूज करके इज देयर अ मैकेनिज्म टू क्रिएट दी सैनिटाइजर्स. सैनिटाइजर इज अ केमिकल. However, every plant leaves also have a chemical, तो बहुत तरह के ऐसे प्लांट्स हैं जिनको कुछ ना कुछ प्रोसेस करके, और इनफैक्ट हिमाचल में कई जगह पर करते भी हैं. कुछ पेड़ की छाल होती है, छाल को गर्म करके उसका पानी निकाल करके 1:10 के रेशियो में करके हम लोग करते हैं बहुत जगह पर. हो सकता है वही पेड़ कहीं और हो, उसको पता ना हो, भैया हो सकता है पता भी हो, बट इस तरह के कितनी सारे प्रैक्टिसेस ऑल ओवर द कंट्री हो सकती हैं. The idea is to actually bring all this knowledge on a common platform and let people actually experience कि हम किन common regular practices, ताकि we do not use external chemicals to use sanitizers as a thing. हम sanitizers को तो किसी मैम ने बोला भी था कि हम एक केमिकल से एक वायरस को मारने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Maybe our place is filled with all the chemicals after 6 months, because we have spread so much of chemical in our places. I mean, it's unfortunate there is no one solution, but that's being sensitive enough to these things, So that's the idea. Like, let's try to support each other from all corners. Whatever knowledge we have, whatever strength, everybody has got some strength. What I can do, maybe you can't do. What you can do, I can't do. And that's the power of coming together. Need to be open, thinking beyond yourself and thinking for others. That is the time right now. Those who will do quickest, sooner, with the speed, with confidence, definitely they will move ahead. So that's my personal opinion, based on the knowledge from everywhere.
Thank you so much, Anubhav. I hope that you all were able to relate to it and get some answers. We are now open, like this is the ending of the first segment. So we are now open for any questions if anyone has. Otherwise, we'll move to the second segment, which talks in detail about the hygiene guidelines. So, anyone? You can either put your questions in the message box, or you can speak out. It could not just be a question, or anything you want to say as well. Yeah, Harish.
मैं बाकी सब लिसनर्स को भी कहना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि ऐश्वर्या जी और कुमार अनुभव जी तो ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं इस मैटर में. जो सजेशंस कुमार जी ने दिए हैं, I'll mix English and Hindi because we come from different areas in India. We may, some of us, may have language issues, but we have nothing to lose by collaborating with each other. We have only benefit, with each other. So if we collaborate with each other, we are benefiting just not ourselves, the entire industry in itself, So जो भी कुमार जी ने कहा है उसमें सबका फायदा है, किसी एक व्यक्ति विशेष की यहाँ बात नहीं है, ये सबका फायदा है। तो वो बहुत अच्छे सजेशंस हैं। हम लोग तो ऑलरेडी नॉर्दर्न इंडिया के इस पार्ट में, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, 10 साल से भी ज़्यादा हो गया हम होम स्टेज ने आपस में एक इनफॉर्मल कोलेब्रेशन किया हुआ है। कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है। आज आपको, हमको, ट्रैवल एजेंट्स को, Booking.com को, इनको उनको कमीशंस देनी पड़ती हैं बुकिंग्स के लिए। आज अगर हम एक दूसरे के साथ में कंप्लीटली सेल्फलेसली कोलैबोरेट करते हैं तो हम सबका वो पैसा बचता है। वी सेव मनी ऑन दैट फ्रंट। एंड इवन इफ वन ऑफ अस इज working sort of a informal light small travel agent and gives us the booking and we give them a TAC of 15-20%, whatever is individual's policy, आप जैसा भी ठीक समझते हो, वो भी एक इंडिविजुअल बेनिफिट होता है। मैं भी देता हूँ 20% TAC मेरे लोकल एरिया के फ्रेंड्स को, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया में वाराणसी में पिलग्रिमेज के अलावा जो फॉरेन टूरिस्ट आता है वो मोस्टली दिल्ली लैंड करके आगरा, जयपुर, वाराणसी, कोलकाता या बोध गया करते हुए दिल्ली वापस जाके फ्लाई आउट करता है। तो हमने इस एरिया में एक इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई है। लेकिन थैंक्स टू कुमार अनुभव एंड थैंक्स टू ऐश्वर्या फॉर डूइंग सो मच ऑफ हार्ड वर्क टू ब्रिंगिंग ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर, it is something, they have started for us a pan India thing. So to knowing each other into the community of homestay or small guest houses or hotels, हम लोगों को एक दूसरे को जान पहचान मिल रही है। और डिजिटाइजेशन से it is quite easy, even if we do not interact with each other day to day, but if there is a directory which eventually be formed, in the form of, website and other ways, the way Aishwarya has already promised, with digitization, it is quite possible for all of us to know each other pan India. And it is a great thing in today's world, to be able to promote each other. हम एक दूसरे की मदद करेंगे, एक दूसरे की मदद से स्वयं भी आगे बढ़ेंगे, दूसरों को भी आगे बढ़ाएंगे। क्योंकि जिस पेड़ पे हम बैठे हैं, अगर वो पेड़ की डाल कटती है तो हम सभी गिरते हैं, और अगर वो पेड़ संभलता है तो हम सभी जिंदा रहते हैं। प्लीज इस फिलॉसफी को आगे बढ़ाइएगा कुमार अनुभव साहब। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा। मतलब आपने बिल्कुल सब चीजों को एक अच्छे से समराइज कर दिया। ऑसम, आई मीन वी रियली लाइक इट।
Right. Anyone else? Mr. Cooper, if you want to say anything, Sajid, or
Mr. Ivan Solomon जी, आप कहाँ से हैं? You can put forward your thoughts.
Good evening. It's raining very hard here. We're having about 16 inches of rain for the last few days. Connectivity is quite difficult in this part of the world. But I'm happy to be present with you today. I mean, I got this small note from Dhruv, and I willingly said that I would join you. The point is that you come with a lot of experience. You are management graduates, and you come from accountancy and finance, and you're architects and you're IT experts. I'm technically and technologically very challenged, and I come from a very remote part of India, but it's pristine. It's one of the rare places for tourists in the country, and Meghalaya, being what it is, as you can see from the COVID statistics, is the only state perhaps that is COVID-free, nearly entirely COVID-free. So this is one positive aspect that has to be promoted. Now, I was listening to that gentleman from Varanasi just now, who was talking about a directory. I think so that is a very good move, and I think so we should support each other in this endeavor. I think so, if we work seamlessly with the IT explosion, but digitization and digitalization comes at a cost. It is costly.
Yeah.
So perhaps, you as not on map could develop a platform, a common platform whereby, cancellations, bookings, GST returns, tax returns, IT returns, inventory returns, involved between the various modules, so that essentially it would benefit all of us. We could contribute for the development of that kind of a software, because this is the age of IT. We have to do it.
Absolutely.
It's a very important point. Thank you.
No, absolutely. Your point is absolutely point bang on true, and that's the need of the hour. Like there are certain things which we cannot avoid. That's the way forward. That how can we use technology to actually make everything in sync, keeping the other nuances also in mind. And that's the reason, like as I mentioned earlier, also that the team is making really really hard efforts. I told you like we have conducted more than 11, 12, I think 12 such webinars from all over the country. It's so hard to actually call everybody. We have put in our energy. We do realize that though there are a lot of webinars being conducted, people post it on Facebook and Instagram, we are conducting this webinar. But unfortunately, in those webinars, only those who see those posts, they reach out. What about those people in the rural pockets who do not have access to those things, And here we actually reach out to those people. In fact, we have trained a lot of people how to use this technology, how to actually install Google Meet or and come on a call. And that is something our responsibility, as you rightly mentioned, Ivan sir, that we take the challenge that okay, it's our responsibility to educate the industry. And industry, the rural pockets, they are integral part of the industry. They should not be taken as just the people with the hands and legs. They should not be taken as people who are meant only for the physical labor. They also have a big brain in their mind. They also have a rich intellectual capital. Unfortunate that's not been harnessed, that's not been valued. And we here come together to actually give due consideration. That's why I told, out of the three stakeholders, those people who are working at our homestay, the villages surrounding, imagine we have a homestay in one part of Meghalaya, sir, right? When people come, they don't come just to stay at that place. They come to stand outside in the balcony to look at a tiny house outside. Imagine there was nothing outside. Maybe that might not be so beautiful as that tiny house makes it. But what is the ecosystem? Is there any money going to that tiny house? Can we create some that? And that's exactly our platform. That's what we stand for. That Nodamap is not working with that mindset. We are actually trying to support the create an ecosystem where every integrity, every integral part actually gets benefited. So your point is very well taken, creating that kind of an ecosystem. And that has to be, technology has to play a key role. And we are on the process of actually creating something like that. And we'll keep updating you on that. But thank you for your comments. Excellent. You are
What
Yeah.
should we do now? What is the agenda? What is it that we have to do now?
So your voice is actually coming a little like low in volume.
No, I'm saying, what is it? What is the agenda? I mean, we have to prioritize things. What are we supposed to do now? You have a head start already. Okay. You have started on this mission, years ago. We are yet to take off. So therefore, we must be told what is to be done right now, especially in this circumstance where the COVID-19 has affected the whole industry. And the industry is a multiplier, is a multiplier industry. It creates jobs, it creates food and beverages, it creates a lot of small scale cottage industries, it creates a lot of jobs for the skilled, unskilled, and semi skilled. The multiplier effect of it is so huge, and we are neglecting this.
Right, right.
What do we have to do now?
No, that's exactly the point, and that's what we are talking. So that's exactly what we were discussing, even in these times, the things which is in our control, that is what we can do. The anything which is external, which is not in our control, we cannot. We except being worried, we can't do anything. So let's not being worried about the thing which is not in our control. But what are the things which is in our control? And I talked about those 5 pointers. I think that's the maximum each individual can do. If each of those individuals, that's what I was talking about, like if the entire nation, all those homestays, all those rural pockets, they start working on these 5 things, honestly, they start talking about those elements, automatically this is going to create a ripple effect which will bounce back the industry will definitely come back. But this is the time to actually work on those 5 elements which I talked about right now in the call. That is the maximum we can do. Of course there could be a little bit more stuff, and that's not been the comment coming just from my side. It's been the comment coming from even United Nations. There were Airbnb chief CEO. He was also talking about. So this is the concise note for last 3.5 years, months. In fact, people have been. This has been the biggest question. What should we do? What should we do? We shouldn't just sit idle. We should do something definitely. And those are the 5 points. I think we should make efforts, on each of those 5 points that I talked about. Let's try to build trust, and then openness, and then partnership and sustainability drives, and in each of those elements, there are so many activities which can be done. Of course, if I start talking about it, goes on and on, because every single topic will be really a lengthy one. But yes,
Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough.
yeah.
Fair enough.
But I'm free, I'm happy. If anybody is interested, we can definitely talk about it. I have been actually giving lectures on these things, even in IIM Ahmedabad. I am one of the visiting faculty for these sustainability drives. I can talk about the pointers, each of them, and that becomes a separate chapter altogether. But just that it becomes too boring for a lot of people, so we thought to keep it concise so that people know the key elements, and everybody goes back home. Let's try to work in our sphere. Wherever support is needed, we stand tall and strong. We will be there to support everybody.
So fair enough.
Right, sir.
Anyone else? Otherwise, we'll now go to the next segment of our discussion today. Okay. Cool. So the next segment of this would be, as I said, hygiene guidelines and cleanliness protocol. As we have discussed a lot about how we have to go forward, there will come a time when our homestays will be open for guests soon. So we have to make sure that our homestays are clean and hygienic and following all the guidelines. So now I'll be sharing my screen. We have a document which we have prepared, जिसमें अलग अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टू इंडियन टूरिज्म के गाइडलाइंस सब इनकॉर्पोरेट करके, एंड आफ्टर मेनी वेबिनार्स वी हैव कम टू दैट. सो आई विल बी शेयरिंग माय स्क्रीन. मैं सिर्फ ऊपर या लार्ज लेवल हेडिंग्स आपको बताऊंगी. Post this, you will be added to a group, a WhatsApp group, where we'll share everything. Right? So you can read it in detail. Otherwise, it's a long document. It will be a little heavy. Right. If there is any question, I will not be able to see the screen. So please, if there's any question, can stop me. Right. So we will now begin. Okay. Right. So these are the hygiene guidelines made by NOTORMAP. Just running through it, first some topics that we will be seeing going down will be introductory note. All the things that we have compiled, as I said, are after taking consultation with various organizations, and also guidance from Mr. Rupesh Kumar, who is from Responsible Tourism Mission Kerala, and many other homestay owners. So as we know, COVID has changed our lifestyle and everything. So this document is especially designed for homestay owners. Apart from the basic methods of cleanliness, हम other alternative sources और sustainable disinfectants के बारे में भी बात करेंगे. Going ahead, I will just be skimming through the document. This will be open for you very carefully later on. Some specific guidelines which will be now there, that is that we have to ask our guests to bring their own mask, bring their own linen, and bring their own thermometer. These three things should be some things जो हमें हमारे guests को strongly suggest करना चाहिए, to get their own sanitizers as well. Some of the things that we'll now have to do is, पहले जितनी information हम collect करते थे, we'll have to collect some more information, which is mentioned later in the document. And we have to check the temperature of check-in and check-out. That also कैसे करना है, we have mentioned ahead. Safe distance of at least 2 meters should be maintained at all the times. Next is बार-बार continuous cleaning करनी है, और कैसे करनी है, that's also discussed later. Have the Arogya Setu app, and occupancy should always like 75% से ज़्यादा ना रखे तो better है. आयुर्वेदिक मसाजेस या ऐसी कोई फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट वाली सर्विसेज है वो ना रखें for the current time being. Numbers of local police, helpline, ambulance वगैरह हर common area या entrance में they should be displayed. So you can just take a simple printout, laminate, and put it there. Right? Some definitions of the words which are used ahead. First heading is hygiene guidelines for staff training. The mandatory things are that firstly, greet them without shaking your hands. As mentioned earlier, ask the guest to bring your own mask. Right? In case they don't get the mask, then please have some masks for sale at your homestay. Right? For example, अगर आपके homestay occupancy 10 people है, then keep 20 masks at your homestay at all times. Ask all staff and include yourself in that to wear a mask, gloves, and a net cap. If not, just tie a cloth around your mouth या dupatta to cover your head and mouth. Right? If anyone has thoda sa fever या cold या dry cough, please give them an off. It's better that prevention is better than cure. Again, as soon as the people enter, please check if they have the Arogya Setu app. Right? पहले से pre-planned itineraries बना के रखे for nearby attractions जिससे overcrowding ना हो. Right? And some posters for emergency helpline, social distancing वगैरह, these posters could be put everywhere, since now we'll have to make this the new normal of our lifestyle. 99.4 degrees से ज़्यादा अगर कोई guest temperature दिखाता है तो please take him to the nearest health care. Right? And सबसे important, हमने इतने rules तो discuss कर लिए, keep a person in charge of checking all the above guidelines if they are being followed or not. In case the illness is persisting, then rooms khali kare, obviously floor khali kare, and jo unke bed sheets and linens hai, they should be washed separately. Right? As mentioned earlier, now we'll have some different information that will have to be collected, which will include the guest permanent address, arrival time and date, kahan se aa rahe hain, kis mode of transport se aaye, ID proof, and self-declaration forms saying that he is free from the COVID virus. Right? So these are all the things which you'll now have to include in your documentation. Some things which are not mandatory but you should do is attend the local discussions or webinars that are happening on COVID awareness. Right. Now we go ahead to the next segment. Till then, I would come back to our window. I hope you are able to firstly hear everything, and till now, does anyone have any questions or anything that they want to say? We'll otherwise go to the next segment of the hygiene guidelines. Any comments?
I think all of us, can have a printout, once you send it to the group, and do a thorough study on it, so it will make a lot of sense at that time, instead of having it in the right away into the meeting. I think we can move on to the next part.
Okay, fine. Yeah, that sounds great. In fact, we'll be sending a document. Iske saath, as we move ahead, we are very excited because we have made some templates for you as well, जो आप आपके homestay में use कर सकते हैं, direct print निकाल के. Right? Moving ahead, then let me share my screen once again. Cleanliness. Now, coming to the most important part, हमारे आइडिया है कि टच पॉइंट्स जो है सबसे कम हो. So must have important चीजें हैं, hand sanitizer, keep it for sale अगर नहीं हिलाते हैं आपके गेस्ट तो, मास्क, थर्मामीटर, गार्बेज डिस्पोजल या अलग कोई मेथड आपके यहाँ पे गार्बेज डिस्पोजल, एंड डीप क्लीनिंग के एजेंट्स. Some things which are good to have but are not mandatory is PPE kit, जो हमने यहाँ पे एक वेबसाइट डाली है, you can click on it and buy it there. These are from the National Ministry of Tourism. Right? Now here I won't go into detail, but the heading is entrance and public area. So as soon as the guest comes, you're supposed to check his temperature and make sure it's less than 99.4 degrees. And entry to be restricted only for pre-booked guests. जो walk-in है उन्हें avoid करे लेना. Right? कोई ड्राइवर जो है जो गेस्ट को छोड़ रहे हैं, the driver should also be screened, and every time they go in, or even the guest, every time they come in and go out of the homestay, they should be screened. For your ease, we have made this a diagram so that जो एक रूम के छोटे छोटे elements हैं, like doorknobs, doors, windows, ceiling, the sill and lintel of the windows, chairs, desks, or online transaction machine, pens, all these things should be washed, cleaned with a Dettol and water mix 1:10. That's the easiest and the simplest method to do it. Right. Next is again reception and guest relations में let's try to rearrange the furniture जिससे दूर दूर हम मतलब inbuilt social distancing कर सके. Right here, as you see below, we have some common seating area. एक ही room में किस अलग-अलग तरीके से हम furniture रख सकते हैं so that you know social distancing is maintained. Mark circles on the floor, obviously. Right. Then going ahead for a hygienic bedroom, bring your own linens, towels, pillow covers. जब room occupied है, please change all linens after every checkout compulsorily, even if they are not dirty or anything. Room जब खाली मतलब occupied नहीं है, then clean it once a week and make sure no one goes there. Try not giving towels. Do's and don'ts of hygiene guidelines हर जगह लगा के रखें. अगर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है इन केस कुछ ट्रेडिशनल हाउसेस में अटैच वॉशरूम नहीं होता है सो प्लीज कीप अ वेसल फॉर वॉशिंग हैंड्स पीरियडिकली इनसाइड द रूम और इमीडिएटली आउटसाइड द रूम राइट और कीप अ सैनिटाइजर नेक्स्ट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स इज कीप अ डोरबेल और अ घंटा इन योर रूम सो दैट फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट जो है वो होस्ट और गेस्ट के बीच में एट ऑल टाइम्स बना रहे बाथरूम्स में प्लीज एलिमिनेट ऑल कॉमन सोप्स जो कपड़े धोने के या हाथ धोने के सोप्स हैं इंस्टेड उन्हें आप सैनिटाइजर की बोतल में या स्प्रे बोतल में डालें जिससे टच पॉइंट्स रिड्यूस हो जाए एंड अगेन यहाँ पे वी हैव शोन अ डायग्राम कौन सी जगह साफ करनी है एंड वी हैव रिटन आल्सो इन द ब्रैकेट कितनी बार करनी है आगे जाके वील सी अ चार्ट आल्सो फॉर इट kitchen and dining areas again the same things please have no buffet or public gathering dining ठीक है self service जो है let's reduce the access of self service some of the major points is again जब there is your guests are going to sit on the floor to eat keep a newspaper so it's easier to clean also and touch points are reduced. This room shows different ways in which social distancing can be maintained with the furniture in a dining area. This is for the kitchen. Whenever you're getting your vegetables, please keep it in the sun for 5 hours and wash it with salt water or, you know, warm it in hot water, right? Going ahead. Now, these are some hygiene guidelines for your stay, which is shown by the Ministry of Tourism. Right, but we have also come up with some sustainable and alternative methods to make firstly sanitizer. There are some methods which include neem leaves, tulsi, camphor, kapoor, जो बोलते हैं, aloe vera, glycerine, spirit, lemon. So all these methods you can go in मतलब detail में आप पढ़ के please we suggest you make it at your house, right? There are some new ways of even making disinfectants. Now we know कि हमें बार-बार हर चीज साफ करनी है. So these are some methods to make the disinfectants as well. मतलब these using vinegar, baking sodas, hot water, borax, and other things as you can read in detail later. Right. So there are 6 to 9 methods that we have given here. We would also in this document have given a special thanks to Mr. Rupesh Kumar, who has been a great guidance in all of this. Now to go a step further, many a times we have seen कि हम बोल देते हैं, you know, make posters or check this, but how do we do that? So we have kind of made some templates which we would want you to print out and use. It's a very simple template. If you can see, this shows the cleaning का checklist. जैसे अगर entrance and public area है, तो ये कुछ 7-8 चीजें हैं which you have to clean and at what time, right? So if you just take a printout of this and put it in some common area, right, then you know it will become very easy for you also to all the time see. So from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. हमने reception, entrance, common area, guest room और bathroom ऐसी सारी जगहों के लिए we have made a checklist. So, you can always be safe. Next are some of the posters that are there. You can just take a print out of this. These are universal and same for everyone. Next thing is that for the new visitors book, you can take a printout of this XYZ homestay ki jagah. You can write your homestay address, and this could be the new template. Here we have another template that we have made is for temperature checking. Temperature checking is for we keep saying that you should check the temperature of the guest twice a day or 3 times a day. So this is a chart जिससे आप मतलब you can keep a track of it, that it is being maintained, right? So that was a very long discussion, monologue from my end. But I hope it wasn't very detailed. It was upar se, but still detailed to some level. If you have any large level doubts that you want to ask here or say anything about it, Mr. Evans, Harish ji.
Some very useful. Let everyone print it, and read it in detail, and try to implement it. And if they have a question or a problem, they can always, get to you through the WhatsApp group. So this is really handy, really useful. Thank you so much for putting in so much time and effort in creating it. Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you. No, it is especially like, the first, to be honest, when we thought of this the first time, we actually thought we as homestay owners, हम क्या करेंगे? काफी बार ऐसे हो जाता है, बहुत useful, बहुत well researched guidelines आ तो जाते हैं. But how do we actually implement it? We are saying there's going to be a new visitors book. How will it look like? It is going to take a long time for it to come in the market for you to buy it. So we thought that these will be very easy to print and just use. So yeah, that's that. And we also have one more coming up in Hindi. So Hindi में भी ये पूरी guidelines same format में होगी. That's also one thing that's going to be there. Yeah. Anyone? Anything that you want to say? Any questions?
Whenever you are about to end, I will say a few words. Not now, but whenever you are about to end.
Definitely, we'll have you only conclude this meeting.
Let's hear something from Minova censored. Cooper.
Cooper.
You were on mute.
And Cooper, you're on mute. Up mute pe, yeah. You are still on mute. You have to unmute it.
Oh, sorry. So sorry for that.
Yes, now it's done.
I just want to, thank you guys for, taking this initiative. Actually, we are staying in, far-flung areas. We don't have that much of information, and attending this webinar is just like, give us some new ideas how to go about from now onwards. And I just want to thank you guys for taking this, initiative for conducting this webinar. And I'm looking forward to, attending more and more so that we'll be equipped enough to, to face the problem from now onwards during this pandemic. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.
Sure. I mean, I would like to say that anytime of any point in time, you have any questions or any doubts, any support, any help you need, you are just a call away. I mean, just please give us a call. I mean, we'll be happy to help out. We have helped many communities all over the country, from multiple layers. We have our own set of network for multiple things, So any support, any guidance you need, you don't need to feel that you are staying at a far-flung area. You can, I would say that please feel that you have some of your brothers, sisters staying in the cities who know things. We want to be, you can consider ourselves to be one of your arms, who would be speaking on your behalf. Any sort of support you need, we stand. I mean, we've done it for many people, all over the country. And we are happy to do for all the people who are out here. I mean, just don't feel alone that you are in far-flung area. please consider that, okay, you are part of this entire unit, and the unit is we all together. As I was mentioning in the beginning, that is the kind of cooperation we say. What you don't have, we have. What I don't have, you have, and that's how we makes a complete unit, So one hand is not sufficient, So we have not two hands. We have like so many people. Imagine what Harishji was mentioning. If everybody comes together, entire unit, I mean, then we will be much more stronger. And that's what I would like, Minowa. You should feel that, okay, you are not alone. You're not in far-flung area only. We are there. As Ivan sir was talking about, we are building up the technology. It's not easy to build the technology, for sure. It comes. We are fortunate to actually having capacity to make a nice platform, a nice technology, So whatever support, guidance you need, I mean, not just for you, for everyone, we stand tall and strong to support you. Just call us, let us know. We will be making extra effort to find out the solution, even if you don't know. Don't worry about it. Right?
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell me one thing. The Government of India, through the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, has issued 4 annexures recently on the 4th of June, 2020, on these guidelines for the opening up of malls, homestays, and religious places and restaurants. Now, the point is, you said that the Ministry of Tourism of the Government of India had issued other guidelines also. So there are subsequent guidelines to those issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare?
Yeah. So see, unfortunately, that's very the Ministry of Health, they have issued a different guidelines. Ministry of Tourism has got, they have released a different guidelines. Unfortunately, even in the Ministry of Tourism, whatever guidelines they have released, if you look at it very categorically, a lot of pointers are not going to be possible, practically possible for people in the remote areas. For example, in some of the areas, it was written that you have to have a CCTV camera everywhere. And there are many other things like if you talk about hand gloves, look at practically how many hand gloves a homestay owners can potentially have. And what about the disposable mechanism? So, well, I would not like to comment too categorically and critically about it. But a lot of guidelines, policies released by the Ministry of Tourism is not going to be practical for the rural or maybe the far-flung areas, people who are staying. And that's why we have to have our local mechanism, to actually do that. We cannot follow everything, decided by them, unfortunately.
No, but you see, the problem is not that. The problem is if you have so many guidelines emanating from the Ministry of Tourism and Culture, from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, you issue different guidelines from the Ministry of Home Affairs, then the state government takes upon itself to issue some other guidelines on top of those guidelines, and then you have these tourism bodies and tourism organizations which are recognized, which issue different guidelines. Now, what guidelines do you finally follow? There's a total mess everywhere.
Right. Now, see, I mean, one of the things regarding this, and you are absolutely right, that what guidelines do you follow? I tell you, like one of the guidelines was released by the government was that the homestay which is going to be registered should have attached toilet. Now, see, practically, if you look at the house, in India, earlier we never used to have toilets which is attached to our rooms. It was always separate. You can't have a homestay. You need to build it separately. Now, when you're talking about all these guidelines, which one to be given priority? Unfortunately, or whatever, it has been said that the precedence is of the immediate local government regulations, and that is like the local district administration. That guideline, whatever is released by them, whatever the restrictions put in by them, that will take precedence over the national or the central authority. And it goes from there, it starts from there basically. If our local district officials or local panchayat puts a guideline, and that might not be the national guideline, but the panchayat has put a restriction, we have to follow and abide by the panchayat stuff, and then goes by the district, and then goes further on. But you're right, I mean, if there are so many, it's very, very difficult practically for people to follow. But we try to study all of them, and then combine together. We have come up, okay, if we follow these bare minimum things, we are good to go to actually get started. But your point is very much valid.
No, the problem is this, the problem is that there's no one size fits it all, right?
Yeah.
That's the important thing. The second important thing is that most of the local governments, especially in the Northeast, toe the line of the guidelines issued by the Government of India. And the point is, if you don't follow those guidelines, then you are not registered. Or perhaps you're not given clearances for operation. So that leads to various other problems, right?
Yeah. No, you're absolutely right. I mean, that's the classic problem, and even we have faced, and a lot of our community
That's
members
the
have faced the
problem
same
I'm
problem.
facing right now.
Yeah, that's really, I mean, and that's unfortunate. You're absolutely, one side doesn't fit all, and secondly, also many times while making these policies, these people did not look so categorically, so deeply about the local challenges that whatever policy they are making, that will not be applicable for even within their own states. You're absolutely right, and that's a classic. Unfortunate, and there are not many other issues in terms of taxation also by the government, and but yes, it's unfortunate that we are living in that world itself. It's
It's
really,
tough.
really unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. I know that. I mean, we face a similar problem in Nagaland. We have established a community out there, and a very nice community village, complete model village out there. And even like we face similar problem while registering. Government had their own regulation, and they said, okay, if you don't register, okay, it will not be registered as a homestay, but then it's registered as a like. So central government has got a B&B scheme, bed and breakfast, So the registration policy for the central government B&B versus homestay is totally different. But yes, Northeast has got a different. So we have to find out a socket that, okay, you have got one place which can be fully registered. Other homes cannot be registered, but still under that house only, which is fully registered, you can operate the other ones also. I mean, that's of course not legally, it might not be appropriate to actually run like that, but then they act as an activity center rather than a stay center. So there are workaround by which the local village panchayats and village councils in Northeast, they have actually come up with. But I totally echo with what you're saying. It's unfortunate.
Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe any suggestion in future you have? We should. I spoke to the tourism. I mean, even in Meghalaya, Mr. Cyril, if you know, he's like the ADC to governor in Meghalaya. So last time I was there, I met him, and I was talking about these things. And he's a very active IS officer, young, and wants to do something really great for the northeastern entire northeast, not just for Meghalaya. And he also agreed upon this thing. But yes, their hands are also tired. They can do as much as they can, and these were some of the workaround. How can you find out the loopholes within the existing framework to operate? That's something, the way we have to choose. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Any last comments? Otherwise, Harishji, you can give your concluding thoughts.
My request, to all of us, present here is that COVID-19, has brought us another serious opportunity to be more human than we were before. So whatever the faith, that you may be following, as I'm following Bhagavad Gita, some of you may be following Holy Bible, some of you may be following Holy Quran. We all have to live our life in the future in the tourism, based on those principles of karma, where we do the karma, but don't expect the result, but eventually the result will be greater than what we can expect from it. So it has given us an opportunity, to work on those principles of Bhagavad Gita. As Kumar Anubhav and Aishwarya, they are all doing it also from their side. They are doing their bit of the karma without expecting anything. We also, all of us, need to do something like that, in the field of tourism, helping each other and also doing these, to the guests. Eventually, the results will be even greater than our success in the past before COVID-19. So I wish all of you, a very happy times. It may not take very, very long for all of us to be back on our feet. So keep your hopes alive. Enjoy your hobbies in the meantime, without getting frustrated and bored, as I do also in my life nowadays because I have so much of time on hand.
Wow.
All of you also should enjoy that, those free moments, because in tourism we do have some moments in the past with successful people. Wow, Ivan sir, great. Ivan sir is showing right away, the guitar and starting it right there.
Oh,
That's a
lovely.
great thing.
You were on mute. Ivan sir, you were on mute.
So thank you all of you.
I have a lot of
And
hobbies. We should all get in.
As I have to go, I'll be leaving, and taking
Sure,
your
sir.
permission. And thank you so much for
Yes,
doing
sure.
this for all of us.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Harish sir. Yes, Ivan sir, you were saying something.
No, I mean, Mr. What's his name? The gentleman who spoke just now said
Mr. Harish. Harish.
we have tremendous hobbies all around the place here. I mean, there are a lot of talented people. You're a great pool of talent, all of you. But you know what essentially amazes me is that how do you sustain yourself? I mean, you have to sustain yourself, right?
Right.
So how do you do that? That's what I wanted to know. Because obviously, if contributions have to come in from members of the group who participate, I think so we should all pool in for this kind of a thing.
Right. Yeah, we can talk about it, Harish sir, separately on it.
Yeah.
But then we've been fortunate. We've been running it for a long time. Almost like 4.5 years. And initially, of course, when I started, I can have a detailed discussion on it. But then we've been awarded globally, even by United Nations, and then many other forums as the world's top 10 social innovative initiatives. So a lot of support came from, and then of course ourselves. I like myself. I quit my fat-paying job. I was working outside abroad. I am well-traveled person, but I wanted to make my life meaningful. To do something for the community, create enterprise. So I put in all my money. Though other people also behind it, they also put in. But of course, we thought to create an enterprise for the communities, for the rural areas, and likewise, we actually continue to move. So there are people who are actually supporting for this cause. They know that what we are doing is there are right people behind the entire initiative. They may be the playback singer, but then they are the ones who actually make us stand and make us talk. Yeah.
I think we have also sent some mail about us, a very small brief to Mr. Evans. We'll definitely get on a call later to talk about the journey, your journey, our journey.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we couldn't hear everybody. We had Sajid also and Prithviji. So, but yeah, Simranpreet also. But I think Simranpreet we have heard. But yes, the thing is, we should actually spend more time sometimes whenever we have, and we'll be happy to actually support, guide, and talk about it in much more detail. We are doing multiple initiatives. We don't want to talk too much about it, but then yes,
Yeah.
anyways, people would like to come forward. Please do.
Yeah, with the coming time, whenever we join you to the group, we'll also tell you about some of the initiatives that are started, and you can see if you want to be a part of them. So I guess we have exceeded our time
Yeah.
limit as well. We shall take your adieu. Thank you, all of you, so much for joining. Let's hope to see each other again. Stay safe, stay occupied, and yeah, reach out to us in case of any other issues or problems that you have.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Stay safe.
Thank you.
All the best. We always stand there. Okay.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Chairman.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
night. I'm not on map
Bye-bye.
team.
Bye-bye.
Thanks,
Bye.
everyone. Thanks, Kumar and
Thanks,
Ashwari.
Manish.
Ashwara.
Thank you, Manish.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Where
Sorry?
Are you based? Where are you based?
Where are we based? Oh, so we are based in Delhi. We have a local regional office in Chamba, Chaminu, and we have the other main office in New Delhi.
In?
So let us New Delhi,
Okay.
Delhi.
Wonderful.
We are also speaking from Delhi. In case you're ever coming, do let us know.
I was in
We
Delhi.
have a really.
I've just come.
Oh, nice. Okay. Cool.
Right.
All right.
Thank you.